How y'all doing, good people? Looks like we got a few people in the live. On my way back to the Sunshine State, getting ready to leave Boulder, Colorado. I'm here at the airport, as you guys can see sort of in the background here. And I want to get an opportunity while I'm waiting on my flight to tap in, check in on you guys, see how you're doing. And hopefully you had a wonderful weekend. I definitely had a wonderful weekend. Like I said, here in Boulder, Colorado, went to the Colorado Buffaloes USC game. Great game, came down to the wire. And it was good, man. I had VIP seats. Coach Prime set it out. It was fabulous. Hey guys, as y'all come into the live, y'all do me a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button for me. I really would appreciate it if you hit that thumbs up button for me. Hit that thumbs up. We want to spread this content out to more people. And the only way we can do that is hitting the thumbs up, hitting the like button, because that will convince YouTube to spread the content out to more people. I see a lot of y'all popping in, man. I hope you had, like I said, had a great weekend. Do me a favor as you come in, please hit the like button. Quite a few of y'all in here. Nobody, a couple people hit the like button. Let's get the like button going, guys. Do me a big favor. I really would appreciate it. Like I said, that like button is helpful because it will show YouTube that people are liking the content, and therefore the algorithm will spread it out to more people. So please do me a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up for me as you come into the actual live. And when this goes out in video format as well, hit that thumbs up. Please hit the thumbs up for me. Also, if you want up to 12 free stocks from Webull, Webull is going to give you up to 12 free stocks when you open a Webull brokerage account. Put any amount of money in that brokerage account. They're going to give you up to 12 free stocks, man. 12 free stocks for just trying out their brokerage app. Now, there's a link down in the description box of the video. Go click on that Webull link in the description box of the video. Open up your new Webull account today. Go get that free stock. Go get that free money. And guys, I'm going to go ahead and send you a Webull tutorial video to walk you through how to use the Webull app to make your first trade so you can start building wealth. All you got to do is send me a DM on Instagram at RichardFame28 and let me know you've opened the Webull account, you funded your Webull account, and then I'm going to send you that Webull tutorial video so that you can start building wealth immediately. Remember, with that Webull app, guys, you can do $5 fractional share trading. And that means if you want to buy Apple and Apple's trading at $175 a share and all you got in your Webull account is $100, you can still buy a fractional share of Apple with that $100. And then what you do is you keep chipping away at it, keep adding money, keep investing, and then before you know it, you'll have a full share of Apple, and then you keep building wealth from there. Same thing with ETFs. Vanguard Information Technology, VOO. You can do the same thing, fractional share trading. That's one good benefit of that Webull app. Also, you'll have automatic investing, where you can basically set up a certain amount you want invested. Boom, every single week, every single month, it will automatically invest it into your chosen investment. Basically, set it and forget it. It will not change unless you come back to the app and discontinue it. But that's another really nice feature as well. So that Webull link, guys, is down in the description box of the video. So go click on that Webull link, open up that new Webull account today, go get that free stock, go get that free money. Guys, we want to talk a little bit today. Before I get on this plane heading back to Florida, we want to talk about this money game and how to win it. If y'all tapped into my live stream on Sunday morning, I talked a lot about why is it hard to make money. But ultimately, like I told you guys in that live stream, ultimately, it's not hard to make money, right? It really isn't. If we think about it, it's not that hard to make money. We just have to make a decision up here. That's what we're going to do. But the money game and how to win it, It's pretty simple, man. You know, the number one thing you got to do is you have to make sure that you have a good plan in place in order to make money. See, making money is step one, right? But then step two is what? You got to keep it. I can make all the money in the world, but if I don't keep any of it, I'm losing at the money game, right? If I make a lot of money, but I don't keep any of it, I'm losing the money game. So step one is I got to make money. Step two is I got to do what? I got to keep that money. And then step three, I got to multiply it. The only way I win at the money game is if I learn how to multiply money and make that money do what? Create money. Make money to create money, right? That's the ultimate way to win at the money game, right? So let's start with making money. First thing you got to do is look at your current income sources that you got coming in. What's your primary income? Are you making the kind of money you want on your primary income? If that's no, then you got to start saying to yourself, well, how do I increase my primary income that I'm earning? How do I make more money with my primary income? Do I need to get some type of additional training on the job that I'm currently doing? Maybe I can go get some certifications. Maybe I can go back to college. You know, whatever it is on the job that you're currently working, figure out a way, how do I climb that ladder? Because there are people working where you work probably make more money than you. Those people are making more money than you because why? They are more valuable financially to the company. The only way you make more money, you got to make yourself more financially valuable. That's the only way you make any more money. So I got to become more financially valuable to the marketplace. In turn, the marketplace then will do what? Give me more money. There's no company out there that's going to pay you a high income salary, but you're not bringing in high income dollars to their company. If you're not making their company more profitable, then they're not going to pay you money like you're making them more profitable. So you got to look at that primary income and say to yourself, am I financially valuable enough for this company to pay me more money? Am I financially valuable enough for me to make money in my own business? And if the answer is yes, then good. You're making great income. You're making the money you want to make. You got money left over at the end of the month, so you're living on less than what you make. That's the first step. If the answer is no, I'm not happy with my income, then you got to go through an assessment, right? Am I financially valuable? Like I said, and if I'm not, how can I get myself more financially valuable to the marketplace? That's the key, guys. You got to get yourself more financially valuable to the marketplace in order for this thing to work, right? So all I'm telling you is that's what you got to do. Step two, how to keep money. Well, number one, when we make this money, we got to stop spending it, making other people wealthy. And how do you spend money making other people wealthy? Going out buying things that you really don't need. Overindulging ourselves. I was up here in Boulder, Colorado, and I'm out with my daughter, and, you know, we went to Denver. So we took a drive down to Denver from Boulder because Denver has this really nice mall, real upscale, Louis, Rolex boutique, Breitling boutique. They got everything in there, right? So her and I going through, and she's like, I want this, I want that, I want this, I want that. And, you know, it wasn't cheap. But I said to myself, you know, Richard, you getting ready to spend money to make somebody else wealthy. What you gonna, is this the direction you want to go? And, you know, I said to myself, no, I'm in the enjoyment stage of wealth. I've already built my wealth. A lot of this money that I'm going to be spending this weekend comes from my investments. That's money that my investments are making. Plus, I have a high income skill set. So I make a lot of money from what I do from a high value income standpoint. I got a high value skill set, so I make a bunch of money. Plus, my investments make money. So I said, no, I'm not, you know, I can afford to splurge and have a good time and spend some money on my daughter and buy her some things that she wants, because guess what? I'm in the enjoyment stage of wealth. Now, I wouldn't recommend that for people who are in the building stage of wealth. I wouldn't recommend that you go somewhere and spend the type of money I just spent this weekend, I wouldn't recommend that if you're in the building stage of wealth, because every dollar you take to buy something you really don't need does what? It's just one less dollar you got that you can put in investments to build your wealth, right? Now, the stuff that I bought my daughter, she doesn't really need it. But again, it's one of the things I'm able to do because of the position that I've put myself in over the years, which is putting myself in a position where my assets do what? Multiply money for me. I also have a high income skill set. So I got the two first steps to win in the money game, right? Step one, you gotta have a high income skill set. You gotta be valuable to the marketplace financially, right? That's how you make money. You gotta be valuable to the marketplace. And then two is do what? You can't spend money to make other folks wealthy unless you're in the building stage of wealth and you're saying to yourself, this money that I'm getting ready to spend in the building stage of wealth is going to be something that's going to help me make more money in the future. For instance, let's say you go buy a course, or let's just say you go buy some piece of equipment. Let's just say you do something that you can use that thing that you bought to make money. Then at that point, yeah, it's okay to buy something. But what I'm trying to get you guys to understand is don't buy things that are not going to generate income for you. Not when you're in the building stage of wealth. When you're in the enjoyment stage of wealth, then you go and buy to your heart's content because your assets will be generating enough income to pay for it. See, we give up something today, right? We give up something today so that we can have what we want tomorrow. So if I'm in the building stage of wealth, I give up shopping sprees today so that I can build my wealth. And then tomorrow, when my wealth is built, guess what I can do then? I can have all the shopping sprees I want. That's the way it works. Now, shouldn't be the other way around. So, right, how do we win with the money game? Again, make more money. And then two, don't buy things to make other people wealthy. Take that money and do what with it? Number three, which is what? Multiply it. So that's the last step in the money game, is multiplying it. So I've got myself where I'm adding financial value to the marketplace. So now I can go out and demand high 5-figure salary, right? 6-figure salary, 7-figure salary, whatever skill set you have, right? So I can go demand a higher level of pay because I'm adding value to something. I'm adding value to a company or my own company. So therefore my income scale goes up. Second thing is, now I take that money that I'm earning and I don't go out and spend it and make somebody else wealthy. I take it and I invest it to do number three, which is to multiply money. That's the ultimate form of winning the money game, guys, is multiplying money. You ever heard the saying, make money to make money, right? I get out and I make money so that my money can make money. That's the ultimate win. That's the ultimate flex when it comes to the money game, man, right? You ain't winning the money game unless you're multiplying it. If you got it sitting at your bank, they're not paying you a good interest rate on it. You're not in the buildings, you're not in the enjoyment stage of wealth. You're still in the building stage of wealth, but you got your money at the bank just sitting there doing nothing. Guys, that's not multiplying it. That's not gonna get you the financial freedom keeping it at the bank. Now, I'm not saying you don't keep your emergency fund at the bank. You do. You do keep your emergency fund at the bank. But outside of the emergency fund, I keep telling y'all, if you're in the building stage of wealth, you got to take that money and multiply it. I understand we're in volatile times right now. And I understand it's a little scary. But you got to understand, when you're in the building stage of wealth, you build your wealth in volatile times. You build your wealth when the stock market is red. Why? Because you can buy these assets at a discount. Especially if historically they've traded at a premium. But now, since everything is volatile, you can buy them at a discount and then you hold them until they go back to trading at a premium again. That's the ultimate time to buy investments, is when they are discounted. That's why I've been telling you guys for months and months and months about the stock market. We still have an opportunity right now in the stock market to do what? Multiply money. And we still gonna have that opportunity, I think, over the next probably 9 months. But when the Fed starts reducing short-term interest rates, which are gonna probably be around June of 2024, they're gonna start systematically reducing short-term interest rates. Guys, I'm telling you, when that happens, the stock market is gonna start moving back up in a more consistent manner though. Right now, stock market might be down 5 days. It might bounce for 3 days. It may be down another 7 days. It might bounce for 2 days. And that's because we're in a bear market right now. But following every bear market is gonna be a bull market. Go do the research. Go to Google and do a little research. And just type in, does a bull market historically follow a bear market? Just Google that and see what comes up. And I guarantee you, every bear market is followed by a bull market. And right now, guys, we're in a bear market. Now, don't get me wrong. From time to time in this bear market, we've bounced because I've made money on those bounces. But it's not a bull market yet. So if it's not a bull market and things are still discounted, and there's still ability for you to buy these assets at a discount and wait for the next bull market, which I believe it's going to start right around June of 2024 when the Fed start reducing short-term interest rates. Boom, there you go. Now you start multiplying your money the way you're supposed to multiply it. But you got to have some patience, you got to be disciplined, and you got to be consistent. That's why I tell you through dollar cost averaging is the key. If you're going to invest in the stock market, right? Dollar cost averaging is one of the main ways to multiply money, guys. So I take a certain amount of money every single week, every single month. And I know many of you guys are doing that. Why? Because you email me and tell me. You drop me DMs on Instagram and tell me, Richard, I'm dollar cost averaging in $100 a week. I'm dollar cost averaging in $500 a month. I'm dollar cost averaging in $1,000 a month. You guys are telling me you're doing it. So that's fantastic. I want more of us to do that though. I want more of us to get ourselves comfortable with paper assets. And I know if you've never done it before, it's scary. I know it's scary, but I'm telling you guys, this is how the 1% build a lot of their wealth in volatile times. And we got to get smart and start reprogramming ourselves to understand how the 1% make all this wealth, because they're not going to tell us. They want us blind and in the dark. They want us scared and afraid. Why? Because that keeps us away from all the money. We got to do a lot better than that. We got to do a lot better than that, right? We can't be afraid. We got to start getting ourselves to the point where we are not afraid to make this money, man. We are not afraid to make this money. Let me look at my time and make sure I ain't in a position where I'm for the business flight. But yes, man. So let's recap. Before we recap, let me do this. Let's do a check. Guys, hit that thumbs up for me. If you're coming in the chat right now and you missed the intro, please, guys, hit the thumbs up button for me. Hit the like button. That helps the channel. Hey, I appreciate the super chat. Thank you very much. I appreciate that super chat. Thank you. Guys, hit that thumbs up for me, please. I need to get that thumbs up. We need to get it up. So please do me that favor. If you enjoy the content, you enjoy the daily content that I'm putting out here on YouTube, trying to help as many people who want help get to their financial freedom, please do me a big favor. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up for me. That will be very, very, very well appreciated. So do me that big favor. And then we're going to go ahead and finish up this live because I got a plane to catch. But let's recap and talk about those 3 things that you need in order to win the money game. Number 1, you need income to win the money game. If you ain't making enough income, guess what you need to do? Go check out some of my videos. I got a lot of videos out there about side hustles. I got a lot of videos out there about how to add financial value to yourself so that you're more valuable to the marketplace. I got videos to help you with that. Second thing you got to do is you got to keep the money that you earn. We can't take our money and go to the mall and spend it on things we don't need to make other people wealthy. We can't do that. That's a no-no. Not when you're in the building stage of wealth. When you're in the enjoyment stage of wealth like I am, if I want to go on a shopping spree occasionally, I can do that. Why? Because my assets generate enough income to pay for those things that I'm buying, right? But if you're not at that stage in your financial life, then don't do it. Take that money that you're going to go spend shopping, take that money and start dollar cost averaging into your favorite ETFs, your favorite index funds to build wealth. The third thing you got to do if you want to win the money game is you got to multiply money. And I've already talked about paper assets as a great way right now to multiply money. Another way to multiply money is through real estate. So you can buy real estate, put a tenant in that real estate, make sure that real estate you purchase is in a good location where people have a desire to live, right? You can buy a 1 to 4 family dwelling, right? A single family home all the way up to a 4-unit small apartment complex. Go ahead and buy one of those in a good neighborhood. But when you buy it, make sure it's not the Mac Daddy house in the neighborhood. It can't be the Mac Daddy duplex. It can't be the Mac Daddy 3-plex or 4-plex. It has to be in the Mac Daddy neighborhood, in the Mac Daddy location, but you want the most modest house or the most modest 1 to 4 family in that area. And then what you do is you go in, add a little value, and then go ahead and put some tenants in there, start collecting that cash flow. And then over the years, that property will grow in value, maybe 3 to 5% a year in value. So you hold it 5 or 10 years and make you some good money. That's what I did, guys, for many years. 25 years, I bought real estate using that same strategy. Buy in the best location, buy the most modest house in that location, put a little TLC into it, put a tenant in it, and then guess what? Collect my cash flow, which is rent, and then watch that property every year appreciate 3 to 5% in value. That's the second way you can multiply your money. The third way you can multiply your money is what? Investing in a business, right? Find something, find a problem out here in the marketplace that you can build a solution to solve, and then introduce that solution to the marketplace. Start you a business. No better time to start a business than in a volatile economy, a teetering on recession economy. It's the best time to start a business because there's less competition. So please, man, consider these things that I've told you. I got to get ready to sign out and get off of this live, man, because I got a flight to catch. But I appreciate you guys hanging in there with me. I appreciate you guys watching the videos every day, hitting that thumbs up. So if you're in this chat, man, hit the thumbs up. If you're watching this video, hit the thumbs up for me. Please hit it, smash it, smash it, smash it. We need as many thumbs up as we can, guys, before I close out the live. Please, if you're in here and you have not hit the like button, please go ahead and hit that like button for me. I really would appreciate it. Also, do me a big favor. Share the video. Maybe there's somebody in your network, in your family, at your job, in your neighborhood. Share this video with them, guys. They may be looking to try to get to financial freedom. They may not tell you that, but inside, that's what they're trying to do. Maybe something in this video helps them do that. So please share this video if you don't mind. That would mean a lot to me. Like I said, hit that thumbs up. That means a lot to me because we want that YouTube algorithm to be able to spread this content out to more people. So please do me that favor, guys. A lot of you have hit that like button, and I really appreciate it. You don't know how much. I'm gonna continue to make this content daily. I'm gonna be back on Tuesday doing my regular live streams and my regular edited videos. So stay tapped in, man. I encourage you guys who are new and don't know a lot about me, go spend some time on my YouTube channel. Go look at the 1,000 videos that I got up on that YouTube channel. There's financial information in there for everybody. Grab a nugget or two and take action. Please do that. Again, hit the thumbs up for me, guys, before you tap out of here. Hit that thumbs up. I really would appreciate it. If you want them 12 free stocks from Webull, y'all know the links down in the description box. Webull's gonna give you up to 12 free stocks when you open a new Webull brokerage account. Put any amount of money in that brokerage account. They're gonna give you up to 12 free videos. Links down in the description box. Send me a DM on Instagram. Let me know you've opened it and funded it. And I'm gonna send you a Webull tutorial video so that you can learn how to use that Webull app to buy your favorite ETFs, your favorite individual stocks to build wealth. All you got to do is DM me at RichardFain28 on Instagram. If you do that, I will send you that tutorial video, no questions asked. Okay? Because I want you guys to have a brokerage, a self-directed brokerage app where you can build wealth and build wealth now. No better time, guys, to build wealth in the last 100 years than right now. Don't be afraid. I'm here to help you through it. Just lean on me and I'll help you get through it, right? You don't have to be the expert. All you got to do is have a little bit of knowledge and a whole bunch of take action, and you can build wealth. So please, please, please do that for me. That link down below for Webull is in the description box. Thoughts become things. If you can see it in your mind, you can hold it in your hands. You guys keep chasing your greatness. Never stop believing in yourself. And I'm going to catch you guys on the next live or the next video. Peace.